We are driving inclusion. We are seeing things that a few years back weren't even possible happening. It feels great. There's a lot has happened the last 9 months. Our business is in a much better position. We've been able to grow very fast. We've been able to do so profitably. There's always the good feeling of that IPO day, but fundamentally, every time you're here, you're thinking of the future, and we think the future is very bright for us, given what has happened the last 9 months. So we posted our results not long ago. We've had 198% growth in TPV, which is how much volumes go through our platform. We did 134% growth in revenue. But very importantly, we've done so while staying profitable with an adjusted EBITDA margin of 40%. We really believe in that idea of growing really, really fast, but doing so profitably. We think that's the right way of building a company on the long run. The main driver for our IPO wasn't a capital need. We've always been profitable and we've been able to sustain our own growth. The reality is that we believe payments companies are better suited from a credibility standpoint, from a compliance standpoint, to be US listed, be public here, gives a lot of visibility. We've been benefiting from that. We are dealing with some of the biggest and more savvy companies on earth. So being one of them in this bigger scenario definitely has helped. And you see that in our results. So it's been a great decision, I think, on our end, and we are very proud to be here. We'll continue to execute on our strategy. We've been very consistent about it. It's all about our customers, making sure we help them with as many products as possible, starting with pay-ins, payouts, issuing, fraud prevention. Last year, we've operated across 35 countries today. So we're going to continue to build that footprint, continue to build that infrastructure to make sure that any global company that wants to do business in emerging markets has an easy and safe way of doing so. We are very proud to be a leader in this space, but that needs to continue to be the case in the future. And for that, we are going to continue to invest in finding the hardest problems we can. When you look at our expansion plans, we are not only adding new geographies, and these are not the easiest places on earth. We are trying to make sure we are solving hard problems for our customers, make sure we are adding more products, so we are adding more and more value every day. Our average merchant today uses us in 7 geographies. They use us across multiple products, and we need for that to continue to be the case. The more geographies, the more products, the more problems we are solving for our customers, and the more valuable we become. We have a total addressable market that is huge. We are only scratching the surface of that opportunity. And most importantly, we get very excited. We are driving inclusion. We are seeing things that a few years back weren't even possible happening. We are seeing more and more growth on the e-commerce side, on the online side, and we are very, very, very proud to be playing a small part in that. Don't limit your own dreams. We never thought we would be here one day. We made sure we would add value to our customers, and that drove us here. But I think there are many others that are going to come. So dream big, be ambitious, and one day I'm sure many of you will be here.